Hi folks, in this video, we will be looking at Smart Assist feature of SAP Analytics Cloud and how Search to Insight now offers more contextual information based on different time-based inquiries. Many generic phases are now supported and natural language is becoming more used in Analytics Cloud. I'm using a data model based on drug sales store here. So I'll go to the files and search for my data model here. The drug sales source, as the name suggests, is the model which talks about the sales, the revenues, how are the customers, what are my store types, and etc. etc. Now for Search to Insight, there's a small button which you see here, that's a bulb button. If I click on that, it takes me to the page which says, what do you want to know? Now this is a typical page where I will type my questions and the system will reply once I select my model. So as you know, we have selected drug sales store, so that's the model it will be working on. Let me put a question. Now let's say I like show me sales broken down by weeks for 2000, broken down by weeks for 2014. Now if I hit enter just with this question, we'll see that in a matter of seconds, you will see that there is this nice chart which gives you all the informations for the calendar week on 2014. Now these are the new key phrases like broken down by week, broken down by month, quarters, H1, H2, etc. Let's say we also do one more question here and a couple of questions I'll add here. Show me sales by year on date, let's say for 2014 as a histogram. Okay, let me make it a little more better. It doesn't matter if you type a caps or small, but just for the sake of uniformity, I'll type it in small letters. Show me sales by year on date for 2014 as histogram, and we hit enter. The moment we hit enter, we see a nice histogram being created for the question being asked. So you see how SAP Analytics Cloud understands the language and the simple English language or the question which we are typing. Now let's say another question. Show me sales by store type for Q1 2014 to Q2 2015. Now here basically on quarterly cycle, I'm trying to see the sales based on store type. And here we see a nice graph being plotted. And you see on the top also there are various histories being stored. So now let's go back and let me try out one more question. Let's say we use a feature H1, H2, which is half yearly 1, half yearly 2. So the question would be, show me customers by store type for second half of the year, which is H2 2014. The moment I put enter, again, I get the results very quickly. So folks, that's how there are a lot of new time-based inquiries or keywords have been added, which we can utilize to get a lot of meaningful insight from the model. If you want to know more, you can go to SAP Analytics Cloud product updates and feature section on the website. And here you have all the latest features which have been released. Hope you like my video. Thank you, and we'll be back.